I've been to the motherfucking mountaintop, seen them fuckers and seen them drop, and I sit on the computer on my ass a lot. So let's get the ass off the computer chair right now. Whatever in your life comes by, imagine this speech making guy and he's just wild on it. Some programmer goes, if this car drives off the road, who we gonna blame? You just program that in, and every time the car closes by, it just pushes this line further back. All of them think that it's the car that has to drive the road, or the driver that has to drive the car on the road, when instead it could be that the road changes as the car is about to go outside of the boundaries of that road and crash into a tree. It just expanded that road. There was more space on that road. It got wider on that road. And same with rooms and everything like that. Expanding and contracting as you go. So if you just walk to your wall, the wall just moves. Walk fucking into the wall and it just goes further back. Bed that is cramming up the space, just walk against it and it's gonna move, and the whole wall will move, and you can expand that. That's the reality we're gonna live in. That's the reality that we should have always been living in. We should have freedom. Freedom.